All right, welcome to Tim Dahle Nissan Southtowne in Utah, the home of the largest dealership in the country. We sell more of these NVPs than any other dealer, and it's not even close. My name is Tyler Slade, and I'm here with Marvin. Marvin is the great creator of our 4x4 unit and also all these fun accessories. We want to do a video about some of the things that we're doing with these vans to share with everybody ideas and options that we can do. So this here silver van is the first one we're going to talk about. We got the blue one behind it, but this silver van has the 3-inch lift on it with aftermarket wheels, tires, a running board, and then the roof rack and ladder, and you're going to see a push bar as well. So first, let's start with these wheels and tires to kind of give you an idea. With this setup, Marvin, what kind of wheel and tire what's the biggest size we can fit on this?
So on a 3-inch, the biggest size we can fit is a 35, 11, 50, 20.
So a 35-inch tire?
Yes.
Okay, and a 20-inch rim?
Yes.
And what is this one here?
So this is a 20 by 9 wheel. It's a fuel wheel. And the offset is a positive 18.
Perfect.
And everything looks great. It's an all-terrain.
Yes.
Nitto makes.
Very meaty. But we could do lots of different options, obviously, with wheels and tires, as long as we fit within those dimensions talked about. And you can customize it to whatever your heart desires. The other things we recommend on these vans is they don't have running boards, and so this is an aftermarket running board. Tell them a little about the running board.
It is a custom running board that we do in the house. It's not offered online or by anybody, so we just kind of do our own custom running boards, wheels, tires, whatever we can offer to make these more.
Well, you got to be able to get the kids in, right? I mean, with the lift on it, you just need to have that running board to get everybody in the van. Now up above, let me show you the rack. This is a custom-made rack that we offer. We have it custom built to cover the length of the van. Now keep in mind, with 12 people in a van, you're going to need room for luggage, and so that's where this comes in. It also pretty much makes it look like a safari wagon, so it's really sweet. Tell them a little bit about the rack.
So we have a custom made for Tim Dahle only. It is a shop local here in Utah, and it covers the whole roof length. I don't know, you can see.
Bolted on very well. And
it is very sturdy. It's really strong.
You could almost put another car on top of it. It's so strong. So what a fun option that is. Let me walk around here and show you our push bar, bull bar, whatever you want to call it. But what's neat and unique about this is, as you can see, we have the sensors in the bumper. Well, we were able to move the sensors on the push rack out to the front on the push bar, as you can see, so that allows you to still have the radar system detect any issues that you're getting too close to, and so that's a bonus. Also, when you open the sliding door, these wheels and tires don't cause any trouble, because if you get too big, then the door doesn't open, but there's no issues with that as long as you stick within the size, okay? And then coming to the back, we'll show you the fun little ladder. Now what's neat about the ladder is that it's on the other side of the door. Most ladders come over on the left side. This one's on the right side, and the reason that is important is that the rear view camera is located right there. And when you put the ladder on the left side, that blocks the view of the rear view camera. With the ladder over here, there's no issues. It fits in nice and snug up on the top of the door and the bottom of the door, and can handle, well, I'm 250 pounds and it handles me well. Then we could also offer, if you want, we have some people take advantage of this. It's built into the rack, those 2 spots, to put another ladder on this side. So some people would put 2 ladders, one on the side, one on the back, or just one on the side, none on the back. So a lot of fun options. Next, I want to show you our blacked out edition from, what are we calling it, Marvin?
So we're just calling it a blackout edition, because I mean, you can black out everything that's
call it murdered out NVP.
Yeah, murdered out. We could do glossy black, we could do flat black. If you guys want to do a different color, we could probably do it.
So we can do custom stuff, right?
We can do whatever.
To give you an idea, so if you look at these mirrors here, they're blacked out, okay? Compare that to the chrome on silver, okay? Then you look at obviously the wheels and the running board blacked out. The other fun part is we've done the grille blacked out. Keep in mind it comes standard on the SL with a chrome grille. Blacked out that. This is also an SL van, okay? And so it gives it the murdered out, blacked out look, which is, I think, pretty good looking, okay? This one is on a lift kit.
No,
this is
on a leveling kit.
Oh, this is on this. I'm sorry. This is on a leveling kit, not a lift kit. And so this isn't as high as the silver one, but this is a good option to go because it's a little less expensive to do a level kit than a lift kit, and you still get a nice little lift. Does it change what you can do tire-wise, Marvin?
Yeah, so this has a smaller tire. It's got a 275, 65, 20.
Okay.
And the tire is a little bit smaller.
So what's the largest size tire you can fit in a...
On a leveling kit, you can only fit a 75, 65, 20 tire.
Okay.
And then you can also do like a 20 by 9 wheel.
Yeah.
You can do an 18, you can do a 17 inch.
Perfect. We also want to show you something that's kind of cool. This one has the 4x4 conversion. And what's unique to our system is, if you've seen some of our other videos, is that we do a complete Nissan setup with a conversion with a 4x4 system that comes out of the Nissan Titan XD. And so we've got a shifter knob there that goes 2-wheel drive, 4 high and 4 low, that you can shift on the fly. So you have low gear and high gear built right into the dash. It also lights up on the dash whether you're in 4-wheel drive or not. And this is something the competition cannot offer. This is a full Nissan integrated system. Basically, we've taken the Nissan Titan XD system and moved it over to this and figured out a way to make it all Nissan compliant with the help of Nissan engineers. So our 4x4 system is second to none. I highly recommend checking that out. We've got another video that covers our 4-wheel drive system that you should probably check out. But we're going to continue to make these videos as Marvin creates all these fun and different vans so that you can kind of get an idea of what you can do with your van as you want us to customize it. Keep in mind, we are building these and shipping them all across the country, from Alaska to Florida. This is just what we do. This is what Marvin has created, and these things are absolutely fantastic. So any questions, hit us up. As we build more vans that are different variations, we'll certainly make more videos. But thank you so much. Tim Dahle Nissan in Salt Lake City, Utah. You can check us out online, but probably best to call us or text us, and we'll certainly reach out and customize a van for you, and delivery is not a problem.